Okay, in this video we are going to be learning how to make buttercream icing. These are the things we need: the icing sugar and basically butter. I'm going to be adding some milk and a flavor. This is butterscotch flavor. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to cream our butter just to soften it, since we are going to be using a spatula. That's if you don't have a mixer. If you have a hand mixer or a stand mixer, use your stand mixer or your hand mixer. It's basically the same process as creaming your butter and sugar when you want to bake the butter based cake. So once we are done creaming the butter, go ahead and add our icing sugar bit by bit. You don't add everything at once. So to this, I'm going to add in my milk. This is 1/4 cup of milk, and I'm going to add in my flavor. 1 teaspoon. This is 1 teaspoon of butterscotch. And you keep creaming. I'm going to add in my icing sugar. Like I said, you add it bit by bit. You keep creaming until you get the consistency you want. You want this to be creamy and thicker for icing your cake. So you just keep creaming. Always ensure you scrape the side of your bowl. Now this process is quite tasking, so I'm going to switch on to my mixer right now, but you can actually do it with your hand if you don't have a mixer. If you have a mixer, just plug in your mixer and use it. When you touch it, it's thick. This is consistency I want. Okay, we are done creaming our butter and our icing sugar. It's about what we need to ice our cake. So we are going to go ahead and ice our cake.
To see how I cover a cake with this buttercream icing, just watch the next video. The link will be in the description below, and the link is also up here.
We've come to the end of today's class. Thank you very much for being here. I hope you've learned something. So see you in the next class.